Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again for another unboxing in the car. I was waiting for this box. I was waiting for it for a long time. There were some delays. Finally we got it and I left for vacation on the day that it was arriving. So I was so disappointed because I wanted to record and unbox it during my 9-hour drive to Oregon. By the way, I can't believe it's back to school time. Like, we come back and it's time to get ready for school. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. Alright, so we got the Goldie Box, the summer box. If you haven't heard, Goldie Box is owned by Everything Proof. It's her own little business that she started. Her channel is all about unboxings and she's tried every single box out there, but she did realize that there was room for improvement. And so she started her own subscription box, Goldie Box, and we're so excited for her. If you haven't heard of Goldie Box, it's pretty much a lifestyle box. So you can get anything from everything. They have family-friendly options. It's sort of like a Fabfitfun box, but the main difference is that it's a vegan, cruelty-free box. So Jessica is very concerned about the environment. She is all about, you know, sustainability and just vegan and cruelty products all throughout. So in the makeup she wears, in the things that she uses, she tries her best. So I really admire that about her, Minnie Mouse included. This summer box from Goldie Box, I think I'm most excited about. I'm more excited than the one that I unboxed last spring. In case you are wondering what I got, I'll put the video right here or over here, but definitely check that unboxing out in case you want to see more of what Goldie Box is all about. So Goldie Box has 3 types of subscriptions, from Bronze Bear, Gold Bear, and Silver Bear, and all the pricing will be in the description below because I can't remember them exactly, but I got the biggest box, which is the Gold Box. So with the Gold Box you get to choose 7 items and then you get 3 bonus items, so 10 items total. So I really love that. With the Silver Box you get to choose 5 items and you get 2 bonus items, and with the Bronze Bear box you get to choose 3 items and you get 1 bonus item, so 4 items total. So it's a steal. You get to customize all of the boxes. Each season you get to pick from around 16 items. Depending on your plan, you get to pick 3, 5, or 7 items of your choosing. So I think that's such a great deal for the consumer because you end up liking everything that you get because you picked it, right? Okay, so let's get started. Here's the box. So pretty. Here it is. It's got that nautical theme, and then you have the pamphlet. It has a description of all the items that you would get in the box or that you could choose from. I love this special kind of recycled material that they have. It's what they use to handle kind of like anything that's glass or easily breaks in the box. They give you one of these to keep it secure and so that it doesn't break. All right guys, let's start with the 7 items that I chose. The first item that I chose is a lifestyle one. This is what I got. It says life happens after coffee. Very nice. It's a tea towel. I recently started a coffee station in my kitchen and so I needed a tea towel, so I think this is gonna be perfect. Very nice. It's a good size. It's by Foreside Home Garden. So it looks like this. I love the little tassel detail. Love that, and I love the message. Foreside Homes, that tea towel is $60.99. Second item that I chose is the salad topping fig nut and raisin. So as you guys know, I'm trying to eat healthier. Did you just say bah? I'm trying to eat healthier. You know, don't listen to her because my daughter actually loves salads. Like, she loves salads just like me. I love having these in my salads. I mean, it just elevates everything, and with back to school and everything, I really need to get interesting when it comes to the lunches that I'll be packing for everyone. So this is a salad topping by Nicholas Vahey. It's $16. It's homemade bread with fig, nut, and raisin mix. So I'm excited for that. The third item that I got is by Facial Polish.
Whoa.
Yep, and they are guava and passion fruit bonbons. It's a facial polish. It's not something you eat. This is by Bonbon. The company's Bonbon, and it's $28, and it's a guava and passion fruit treat for your skin. So it's a single use, heart shape, it's handmade, it's cruelty free and vegan. See, let's see. I'm excited to see what it is. There it is, guys. Look at that. So let me smell it. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it. They are heart shaped.
Heart.
Yep. And you kind of, I think you run it down the water, and then you can use it to exfoliate your skin. So it's going to start breaking down and melting, and you can just rub it all over your skin. Yeah, it's a facial polish. So I think it's going to be a little bit more gentle. I am so excited about this. It smells amazing, and I can't wait. I was really excited for that. It's $28. Next item is this one is by Gustus Vitae. It's $12, and basically it's a gourmet infused salt. So that's what it looks like. It's perfect for fish, meat, your watermelon. Ooh, watermelon. Oh my gosh. Who else puts salt in their fruits? I do. My daughter and I does it all the time. We do it on peaches, on nectarines, orange and plum. We love salt in our fruit. So I got this. This one is a smoked sea salt. Other option was a chipotle kind, but I didn't like anything spicy, so I want to control my spice intake, so I went with this one. I'm so excited. I got the other one last season also from Gustus Vitae. Oh, okay, my husband is back from grocery shopping, and I'm not even halfway done.
What do you want me to do? Stay at Safeway the whole time?
Okay, you know what? We've got places to go. We're just gonna move while I record my unboxing. The next one that I picked are some earrings, some fun summer earrings, and they look like this. Very nice. These are earrings from Day X Day. It's $13. It's handcrafted Mons Tessera clay earrings, and we had two different options. I picked the silver one, but look how pretty this looks. Fifth item that I chose is a summer mask mix. So I didn't get to choose this per se, like as far as the options, because the mask didn't arrive in time. We just had to trust Jessica in choosing the right mask for us. I know that's kind of hard for her to do. I hope she knows me enough that we both have oily skin, oily acne prone skin. So I hope she picked those kinds of masks for me. You get like a combination of 3 masks like this, and also an exfoliating one. It's a pineapple papaya gel mask. Ooh, I love how this looks. And it's gel. The fact that she picked gel, she knew we had similar skin types. Jessica, you know me so well. It pays to be friends with the owner, right? But no, I'm just kidding. I love 111 skin. I mean, this is like a $30 mask for one piece, guys. So I'm glad she got that. She got a pearl brightening mask. The sun is just washing this out, but it's like the packaging is so pretty. It's gold. And then a pure aura karma hologram foil mask. Okay, Instagram, yes. A hologram mask. I will try that on for you guys on my Instagram or Instagram stories, or maybe on my YouTube shorts. So this is the mask bundle, and supposedly it has a $22+ value. So the 3 masks plus this gel mask. And I gotta say, this is more than that, because I know for a fact that the 111 skin sells for like $30 a piece. Just one mask. My cell phone fell while we were trying. Okay, so where was I? The last thing in my box, I saved the best for last. This is by Diff Eyewear, It's a charitable eyewear. So every time you purchase Diff sunglasses, they give sunglasses back to someone in need. Diff eyewear, I've seen this at Nordstrom. I believe the style I picked is the oversized two-tone Carson, which is $119. I mean, sunglasses, especially brand name sunglasses, are expensive. And this is the case. It came nicely packaged. I took it out yesterday just because just to see what it looks like, and it was a pretty good fit for me. I saw the camel one, like kind of the greenish camel ones, and I do kind of wish I got that one too, but you know, you can't have everything. So here it is. What do you guys think? I love kind of like the two-tone detail, the orange and the clear. I was hoping I would bring this to my trip to Oregon, but yeah, I didn't get to use it. It would have been so cool having these glasses on. Looks pretty. I love it. I'm glad I chose this. And this is like a Gold Bear exclusive, which means if you are a silver bear or a bronze bear, you can't get these. I'm so glad I got them. It also has a little wipe to clean your glasses. The case is very nice. So that is it, guys. So just to recap, we got the glasses, we got the gourmet salts, we got the fig salad topping, we got the mask bundle, we got the earrings, and we got the tea towels. So,
by the way, I forgot to mention that the 7th item is the heart-shaped exfoliating mask.
okay, so if you heard my daughter in the background, she's like, gummy, gummy, gummy. If you are a gold bear, you get 3 bonus items, pretty much 3 items that are free, and it's something that Jessica chooses. If you are a bronze bear, you get 1 bonus item. That bonus item is the Sugar Fina watermelon gummies. Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. Look at this. Look at this. Gorgeous. We've been eating this since yesterday, and we're trying so hard not to eat it again, but we had some more while we were waiting in the car. So pretty much every member who subscribed to Goldie Box gets this, because this is the bronze bear. And if you are a silver bear, you also get this. If you are a gold bear, you also get this. So so good. It's hers now. I think her food bonus items is what kind of pushed me to sign up, or just all the bonus items in general, because it's very generous. In addition to getting 7 items, you get 3 more items. What? I mean, last time it was kind of like a bourbon chocolate, like gourmet chocolate kind of deal, and it was a hit for everyone. And now this one, watermelon summer, oh my gosh, I am loving it. It's so good, guys. It's so good. The second bonus item, where if you are a silver bear or a gold bear, you also get, is the Bella Pierre Angled Blush Brush. So very nice. Very soft. It's a vegan brush, and it's 100% made of synthetic fibers, and this is normally $30, guys. Can you believe it? $30 brush, and it's a bonus item, so it's very, very generous to have this. The last and third bonus item, and you only get this if you are a gold bear, is the Bombshell Bath & Co. It's $8. It's a pina colada for your bathtub, pretty much. And look at this. I was wondering what this was. Like, is this a bag of rice or what? So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it smells so much like pineapple pina colada. It's a bath soak. You basically use 4 to 8 tablespoons, put it in your bath and soak in it. It contains Epsom salt, essential oils, fragrance, and sugar. So this is cruelty free. I love the packaging, and look how much you get. And this is only $8. So I need to look up Bombshell Bath & Company, but I am excited for this. What do you guys think of Goldie Box Summer Box? Of my box specifically, I am 100% satisfied. I love my box. It was worth the wait. but still I wish I got it before I left for Oregon because I could have used up so many of these things. Hello, like soaking in our bathtub in our hotel. Sunglasses from Diff. I always exfoliate, and this one is so travel size friendly, right? You bring a couple of hearts and you're good to go for your vacation. Like everything, masking, try to mask every night during our stay at our hotel. I mean, it's a must for me. It helps balance out my skin, you know, when you're on vacation. Okay, I will put the total price of my box in here. I did buy my box for, my husband is here, he's gonna know how much I spent on this box. Oh, you know what, it's not here, the price is not here. What do you know? I definitely think this is well over $50 because that one mask alone is a $30 mask, so you guys know I got a good deal, right? All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing in the car. I'm sorry if the video is a little wobbly because we are driving and trying to run our errands for the weekend. Back to school stuff. I hope you guys are being safe. And with that said, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews. And I hope to see you guys back in my corner soon. Bye! So good.
Chewable.
That watermelon gummy, so good, by Sugarfina. And I love that it's watermelon shaped. And I love the case. The packaging is just awesome. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.